Hi everyone. The SEO series has ended, and of course, I will still do updates whenever there are some new SEO information, as and when needed. After all, digital marketing is always changing, right? Today we start a new series, email marketing. And for a start, I thought we'll do something light, just an overview of how to do email marketing, the 11 steps to do it. I'll just give a list of points and touch on each of them a little bit. Following that, in future videos, I will dive deeper into each of these topics. Before I continue, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to stay updated whenever I publish a new video. Do you get a lot of emails? I'm sure you do, right? So do I. So, does email marketing work? The good news is it still does. But you need to have a good strategy and well-crafted messages that can engage your audience and create strong lead nurturing. So yes, it still works. Email marketing helps you to connect with your audience, promote your brand, and increase sales. Also, it is one of the most cost-effective ways to do so. The first thing to do is to create an email marketing plan. You need a good one that can help you to know what is your email marketing going to achieve for your business. What types of emails will you create? How will you create a list? And so many more things to look into. So continue watching and I will show you what are the steps to take. A part of your email marketing strategy will require you to have a clear idea of who your audience is in order to effectively communicate with them. Sit down and think hard about who you are selling your products to. You can do customer personas, there may be more than one. This can help you personalize and target your emails, which will increase engagement, build trust, and increase sales. Are you sending one-time email messages or newsletters? Maybe product updates? Or are you going to create an entire drip campaign? Think it over and decide what type of emails you will send to your list. You may find that, sometimes you may send a variety of all those that I've just mentioned. There are many ways to get email addresses from people and add them to the email addresses to your email list. You can personally ask for email addresses and get permission to send emails, or you can have a sign up form on your website with an offer to get people to allow you to add to your email list. You can even share your email address, or sign up link on social media to invite people to join your email list. Once you get your email list, these are now your leads. You can always send your emails to your entire list, but it's much better to segment your audience in your list. You segment them according to similar interests or needs. You can then send them more relevant and personalized emails to your recipients. The more relevant the content of your emails to your recipient, the better the results. This can significantly increase the click-through rates and even sales. Take some time to think about your content. What do you want to say to your audience? You want to send emails with a purpose that really speaks to the reader. Today, many email providers have automation service that can help you send emails automatically when a trigger is detected. For example, you can automate a series of emails when people join your mailing list. These can be from a welcome email to follow-up emails that eventually lead to a sales or more sales. It's a good idea to schedule sending your your emails to your list. Regular emails keep you connected to your audience, but don't send it to your list too often. It can be annoying, and your subscribers might tune out to what you have to say, and some may even unsubscribe altogether, which is not what you want, isn't it? Your email marketing schedule will depend on your industry and the types of content that you send. For example, a brand like Samsung might send emails when there are updates about their latest products, whereas an online marketplace might send a few emails in a day showing all the different offers. Would you like to know which subject lines get the most opens and clicks from your audience? Or what time of the day most of your readers are most likely to make a purchase through your campaign? You can find all that out and more by running A/B tests. The tests let you experiment with different versions of your emails to see how the different changes, all the little changes that you make, can impact your results. When you find the ones that work best, rinse and repeat. Make sure your emails are easily read on a mobile phone. Nothing turns a user off more than hard to read email. They will just delete it. Check font size to make sure the text is easy to read on a mobile phone. Check that the buttons and the links to make sure that they are easily clickable. They are far apart, not too close, so you don't accidentally click the wrong button. There's a whole long list of things to look out for. I will cover them all in future videos. So remember to subscribe to get updates whenever I publish a new video. The same email providers that I mentioned earlier collect data for you. The data can be information such as opens, clicks, conversions, etc. As such, the data can help you know what is working and what is not working with your emails. With this valuable data, you can then fine-tune and improve your email marketing. There you have it, 11 steps to do email marketing. I will go deeper in detail on each of these steps in future episodes of this series. So do remember to subscribe to get updates whenever I publish a new video. Do you have any questions about today's topic about about email marketing? Let me know in the comments below. For more videos about business, marketing, and making money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.